If you're wondering how to use virtual travel cards in Navan, you're in the right place. In this quick video, we're diving into everything you need to know about getting started with Navan's virtual travel cards and how to manage them effectively for your business or personal travel needs. Stick around until the end, as I'll share how you can use Navan for free with some exclusive bonuses. Navan offers a seamless solution to managing your business trips, especially when it comes to using virtual travel cards. These virtual cards are designed to simplify payments and make transactions secure, all while keeping track of spending for easier budgeting and accounting. To get started with virtual travel cards in Navan, you'll first need to ensure you have an active account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up directly from the first link in the description, where we're offering an extended free trial with some exclusive bonuses. Once you're logged in, navigating to the virtual card section is simple. You'll find the option to create a new virtual travel card right from your dashboard. You can easily set a limit on each card, making it easier to track spending per trip or per employee if you're managing a team. This flexibility ensures that you don't overspend, keeping your business finances in check. One of the major benefits of using Navan's virtual travel cards is the ability to make payments instantly, whether it's for booking flights, paying for hotels, or handling other travel expenses. You can do it all without having to rely on physical cards or even wait for approval. The virtual card gives you immediate access to funds and allows you to pay directly from your account, which is particularly useful when dealing with last-minute bookings. Another important feature is the added layer of security. Since the card is virtual, you can use it for transactions without exposing your main account information. It's also easy to cancel or freeze the card in case there's any suspicious activity. Plus, Navan integrates with your existing travel bookings, so all your travel expenses are neatly organized in one place. For those managing corporate travel, Navan allows you to assign cards to different team members, track their usage, and ensure that expenses stay within budget. You can even set limits by department, employee, or trip, making it simple to monitor costs and optimize spending. Using Navan's virtual travel cards also means you'll save time on manual invoicing or the tedious process of reconciling travel expenses after the fact. The software automatically logs every transaction in a clear and organized way, making it easier for you or your finance team to reconcile and report travel spending. So, if you're new to Navan or looking for a better way to manage your business travel finances, getting started with virtual travel cards is a no-brainer. It's all about simplicity, security, and convenience. Remember, you can try Navan for free using the exclusive link below. Don't forget, this extended free trial comes with some great bonuses to help you maximize the platform right from the start. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for that special offer.